Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, there are again continued protests at a JCF police station. And if you agree with Supporters Nation and you want to see justice for Donna Donaldson and her family, drop a like on the video. And of course, drop your comment in the comment section. Now, it is also being alleged that the baby mother of Noel might be one of the individuals giving evidence against him as the case continues to move forward. May I make you go on? Look and listen.
What if the former public accused?
So you're saying, what if the former, that being Kathy Smith?
What if the former accused, public accused, has turned crown witness, and the denial by the senior police official is just a tactic?
Oh, so you're saying that there's a strong possibility that Kathy is the crown witness?
My 2 minutes is up.
Interesting. Baptize me. Mr. Bailey, let us now go into truth, justice, and answer for all. Mr. Bailey. Mr. Bailey. Sir Bailey, I respect your office, and that's why I want to ask questions, because the journalists who are asking the questions at the press conference are totally inept. They're totally inadequate. They're totally incompetent, because they're not going to places and spaces that we need to get answers, and we need to get truth, Mr. Bailey. But Mr. Bailey, you said something that is quite alarming, that Kathy and Smith, on the day in questioning, that you claimed that Donnelly was killed. You said that Donnelly was killed between the hours of 4 to 8 p.m. So, Mr. Bailey, are you saying that Kathy and Smith was at work between the hours of 4 to 8 p.m. on the day of July 12th? Can you confirm with empirical evidence that Kathy and Smith? Because if I get to understand, Kathy and Smith works at the parish court. And if the parish court, Mr. Bailey, what time does the parish court end the duties for the day, Mr. Bailey? What time does Kathy and Smith come off duty, Mr. Bailey? What time did she go for lunch on Tuesday? Mr. Bailey, these are alarming questions that the public needs to do. Mr. Bailey, will Kathy and Smith still be questioned by Indicom tomorrow? Can you confirm that if Kathy and Smith would be come on, Jamaica, will Kathy and Smith be questioned by Indicom tomorrow? Or is it a case? Is it a case, Mr. Bailey? Can you confirm, can you show us video evidence that Kathy and Smith was logged at work between the hours of 4 to 8 p.m. on the 12th of July? Because what the intelligence that I have received is that Miss Smith took 2 days off. She had 2 days off from station. How coincidental? Isn't that circumstantial evidence, Mr. Bailey? How comes Miss Smith coincidentally? Come on, Mr. Bailey. How could you take out categorically, outright, Mr. Bailey? How could you remove Miss Smith from the investigations? I want to know that, Mr. Bailey. Will Kathy be questioned? Will Kathy be questioned by the whereby Indicom tomorrow? Will Kathy be questioned by Indicom tomorrow? Can you say that, Mr. Bailey? Can you tell Jamaica the hours in which Kathy, can can, in the interest of public knowledge and the interest of the court of public opinion, can you provide the station records to show and purport?
No nation, with emotions still running high, Donaldson's relatives have stepped forward to say that they are prepared to forgive those who are responsible for what has happened to Donnelly. As I'm say, definitely an emotional plea when I hear family members, relatives, parents, I say all them want is just the body of them youth, so that them can lay them youth to rest. When parents will always tell you that should never be the case. It should always be the other way around. Children should be laying parents to rest. Of course, I'm going to hear from family members and what they had to say as it pertains to Donaldson and the fact that her body has still not been recovered. Definitely a tragedy. Nation, more look and listen.
There's no closure, and you can't, live like this. We need a closure, get the body, and person who again is accused or whatever, sort that out. God, leave it to God. We need the body to get the closure.
Yeah, that is the worst
The
part.
body is the thing.
The murder charges that have been made. You feel any justice at all? Does it make you feel any lighter?
First and foremost, I do give God thanks for the justice that have been served and Noel. So I know that God is still in control. The march for a couple of days that we have done was really hard. I know the sun was hot on us and was all trying to get justice for her and stuff. But it all paid out because I know that in everything we do, it just God gives us the strength to pull through those couple of days of marching. And I must say, yes, justice is to serve. But I'm still, waiting on the harder part. And I hope that God will open those doors for us so that we may get closure. Because even though he's been charged, a part of me still want to know if my niece is somewhere up there, or we could go for her, or we could find out everything that is. That is the part that worried me most. Wanted to know where she are, But I leave God to decide that for us.
There's no closure, and you can't, live like this. We need a closure, get the body, and person who again is accused or whatever, sort that out. God, leave it to God. We need the body to get the closure.
Yeah, that is the worst
The
part.
body is the thing we want now.
Part.
We know he is involved. We know. And that's short thing. We went over prayer and everything, but the body is the main thing we want.
We need to know where
Go and
she
get
is
the body.
dead or alive. We need to know. She has a chronic illness and God is going to bring her back. She can talk to me. I video call her and she talk to me. And I encourage her to just pray. Because whatever man say is wrong with you, God can say different. So I just tell her, I say, pray and have faith. God's going to rise you up now. I will wish her wherever she is. Take her alive. But mostly life now is there for.
You're hoping to see her walk through the case one day?
No, actually, did. Because wherever she is, she must.
Boy, this has definitely brought Jamaica to the awareness that senseless crime and violence should stop. What took place in Clarendon has also brought the point across. Senseless crime and violence must stop. And we cannot allow the actions of a few to mash up the lovely island and destroy a great nation. A nation that has impacted the world musically, sports and entertainment, also through culture and cuisine. Talk to me in the comment section. Only united can the people see any true change, and the mindset need for change. The people need to feel like, say, there should be zero tolerance to crime and violence. It shouldn't be something where, oh yeah, it happened, but that's over this or stay. No. That is also something that needs to be changed. Click the subscribe icon and the bell icon. Of course, put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Now, until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, want to live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.